Mirabelle, are you in the basket?
Turn around this way. So Mommy can see you.
Are you having fun in there?
Where's your toy? You want a toy? Here.
Mirabelle!
Throw it out.
There's Mima.
She likes these. How about these? Here, Mirabelle. Here. You want these? You can.
Here's Daddy.
You can clip those together. Yeah, there you go.
Working like a dog.
I can see a butt crack, by the way.
Maybe I should put it on the movie.
Maybe.
I'm tired from working all Sunday.
It was hard work cutting that giant schnitzel into pieces and shoving it in your face.
I was actually.
That was a giant.
It was really big, but good. Really good.
Here.
Look, is that your new dog puppet?
Here he is, Mirabelle. Here's your puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy.
She's with the baby in there.
There he comes. He's in with you now. We're going to chew on the handle. She's busy. You're a busy lady. Whoa.
Mirabelle, who's here?
Hey, your big brother's here.
Who is it? Oh, it's Johannes.
Hi.
With Caprice on.
Summertime.
It's pretty nice out, isn't it? Yeah.
Yay, Johannes is here.
There's your big brother. Can you tell him hi? Big tongue.
Okay, that's the end. Well, I have to get in the movie first.
There's the two dorks.